Meaning of Haymarket.
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 Haymarket. The term Haymarket has multiple meanings, including a place name and historical event. In London, the Haymarket is a street located in the West End known for its theatres, nightlife, and high-end shopping. Meanwhile, the term Haymarket riot refers to a labor-related disturbance that occurred in Chicago in 1886, where a bomb detonated during a rally by labor activists, leading to fatalities and legal repercussions. Both of these meanings relate to urban areas and societal issues, with the first being associated with commerce and entertainment, and the second with labor unrest and political activism.